Hello, everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of TeqTalk. I'm Jas Kaur, your enthusiastic host for today. I'm thrilled to be joined by an incredible person, Shefali, who is the director of Salesforce Practice at Teqfocus and also a supermom to two wonderful kids. Today, we are delving into an electrifying and transformative topic that's making waves in the pharmaceutical industry: omnichannel marketing, powered by the cutting edge synergy of data and AI. And guess what? We have something truly groundbreaking to share with you all: the amazing solution crafted by Teqfocus, known as TeqNext AI. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned as we explore how this innovation is going to revolutionize the way we approach pharmaceutical marketing. Let's dive in. Well, welcome to Tech Talk, Shefali.
Hi, Jas. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much, and thanks a lot for taking out time. So, before we go deep dive into today's topic, would you like to introduce yourself quickly?
Absolutely. Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me on the show. I'm Shefali. I'm the head of Salesforce Practice at TeqFocus with over 12 years of experience in technology. Throughout my career, I have led successful cross functional teams to design and implement innovative solutions, and I'm passionate about using data and AI to take businesses to the next level. Happy to be on this podcast.
Thank you, Shefali. Thanks again. And today we are diving into an exciting and transformative topic for the pharma industry: omni-channel marketing powered by data and AI. So, traditional marketing approaches are rapidly becoming obsolete, especially in such a highly regulated industry. So, we have talked a bit about what omni-channel marketing is, but let's go deeper into why it is so important for pharma industry and how it works in practice. Omni-channel marketing allows pharma companies to create personalized and compliant messages across multiple touch points, enhancing patient engagements and trust. By leveraging data and AI, companies can gain insights into patients' behaviors and preferences, optimizing their outreach strategies and ensuring that vital information reaches the right audience at the right time.
Omnichannel marketing is more than just integrating multiple channels. It's about creating that cohesive, data driven strategy that ensures every single touch point that the customer has is informed by previous interactions. This means that whether a customer interacts with a company through an email, through a phone call, social media post, or a face to face conversation, their experience should be consistent and personalized.
Absolutely, Shivali. And in the pharma industry, this personalization is key because we are dealing with diverse and often very complex customer needs. So, for instance, different age groups might have different needs and they might use different channels for communication. So, would you like to elaborate on data driven insights that facilitate this kind of targeted communications?
Certainly. So, by leveraging data driven insights, we can segment our audience more precisely. So, for instance, we can break down our audience into segments like age groups 20 to 30 years, 30 to 40 years, and so on, geographic locations, and even specific medical conditions or treatment histories. So, this granularity allows us to tailor our messaging and the channel selection to fit the unique preferences that they have and the behaviors that they exhibit. So, for example, your younger audiences, they might resonate more with the social media campaigns, while the older segments, they would prefer email or a direct mail or maybe a phone call.
Absolutely. And this isn't just about the preferences. So, data driven insights also allow us to predict behaviors and outcomes. So, we can analyze the past interactions to forecast how different segments will respond to certain messages or products. So, this predictive capability is very, very powerful in optimizing our marketing efforts and improving the ROI.
Yeah, and another crucial aspect is post sale engagement. So, data helps us to understand not just who our customers are, but also how they interact with our products over a period of time. This can inform everything from follow up communication to customer support strategies, ensuring that we maintain a high level of engagement and satisfaction throughout the product lifecycle.
Yeah, and that's a very, very comprehensive view, Shafali. But as we know, the pharma industry faces significant challenges, especially with regulatory constraints as well, right? So these regulations vary by region and can be quite stringent. So would you like to talk the best ways to navigate this these kind of complexities while still maintaining the effective omni-channel strategies?
Great point, Jazz. Navigating regulatory constraints requires a combination of sophisticated data analytics as well as robust compliancy frameworks. By using data driven insights, we can tailor our campaigns to meet the specific regulatory requirements. This means not just adjusting the content of our communication, but also selecting the appropriate channel that complies with the local laws. Additionally, integrating regulatory compliance checks into our campaign workflows ensures that every single content is reviewed and approved before it goes live.
That's very crucial, especially when dealing with sensitive data. So speaking of which, data privacy and security always top concerns in the pharma industry. So would you like to discuss more on the measures we take to protect this sensitive information?
Yeah, data privacy and security are indeed paramount. We need to implement comprehensive security measures, including encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. It's also important to comply with data protection regulations like GDPR or HIPAA compliance. Moreover, employing technologies such as secure data platforms and encryption techniques can help in protecting the personal information while still allowing for us to leverage the data for insights.
Absolutely. And consistency across channels is another challenge, right? In the pharma product campaign, the digital journey might differ significantly from face to face interactions, leading to inconsistencies in customer experience. So, let's talk on the unified experience and how we can achieve this better.
Of course, ensuring a unified experience requires an integrated approach to technology and strategy. This involves using platforms that can seamlessly sync data and communications across all channels. For instance, a CRM integrated with marketing automation tools can
Right.
help maintain the consistency by ensuring that every single interaction, be it digital or in person, is informed by the same data set. Additionally, training the sales and customer support reps will help to deliver consistent messaging, and that's also crucial.
Right. And speaking of this integrated platforms, why don't we talk about TeqNext AI for pharma? As someone who has been involved in building this, can you share your perspective on how we have built it and what it is and how does it facilitate effective omni-channel marketing for pharma?
Yeah, of course. TeqNext AI is something which is really close to me. It's a unified technology stack which is designed specifically for the pharma industry. It aims to streamline sales, marketing, and analytics operations by providing a single source of truth for all the teams involved. This platform leverages GenAI technology to generate the content and images and also the insights that help pharma companies drive consistent revenue and improve their marketing strategies. TeqNext offers several powerful features which are designed to streamline omnichannel marketing. For example, our GenAI assisted content generation can create tailored campaign content based on specific parameters like channel type, geolocation, segment, FDA advertising guidance, and so on. This ensures that our content is not only relevant but also compliant. And then we have GenAI assisted image generation, which customizes the campaign visuals based on similar parameters, ensuring that our imagery also resonates with the target audience.
And these features don't just stop at content creation, right? The platform supports campaign version generation, allowing for multiple versions of campaign to be created and tested. And this means we can continuously optimize our campaigns based on engagement metrics.
Exactly. Additionally, our lead scoring feature helps identify and target high potential leads based on specialization and geolocation, which ensures more effective campaigns. The entire campaign journey is tracked and managed through our marketing cloud, which enhances the overall campaign performance and provides valuable insights for the future strategies.
That's a comprehensive solution. Can you also talk about the journey from lead to opportunity creation using TeqNext AI?
Absolutely. So once a campaign is launched, we track engagement through our marketing cloud. Leads are scored based on their interactions and geolocation, which helps us identify the potential opportunities. As leads engage with the campaign, our system captures this data and converts high potential leads into opportunities. This seamless transition ensures that no potential customer is missed and the sales team can focus on the most promising prospects. Additionally, we can analyze the journey to understand what works and what doesn't, which refines our approach for future campaigns.
That's a very powerful process of converting high potential leads and analyzing campaign data to redefine future approaches. Shafali, can you show us a quick demo on how is this happening end to end?
Absolutely, I'll be happy to. So, consider me to be a marketing operations representative, and my responsibility is to generate and then run a campaign for medical products or devices. Today, I'm working with a medical device insulin pump. So, I'm already logged into Salesforce Health Cloud. And what you see here is a quick snapshot of all the key metrics which are relevant to me. You see the opportunities because I help creation of opportunities, and at some point, we as marketing team would need to identify the marketing attribution for those, so the campaign ROI analysis and so on is captured from metric standpoint. Also, we have the key tasks and the events and some of the key record that I have visited in the past. Now, because I want to market about insulin pumps, so I go to the product. As long as this product exists in the system, I will be able to find information around it. So if I go to insulin pump, I can see anything and everything related to the product family, the product code, the manufacturer, and the product information which is associated here. Now, because I want to generate a content, I go to tech content, and what you see here is the past content versions that have been generated. But here, because I'm planning to generate a new set of content, so I will select the channel type as email because that's what I am communicating. That's the channel that I'm selecting for the conversation. We want to be compliant with the FDA advertising guidance. Here for the prompt for the content, I want to communicate the benefits of insulin pump. So I capture that in the content prompt. In the image prompt, I want to have a small concealable device. So I will select that. I want the segment that I want to communicate to is 30 to 40-year-old, and the geography that I want to target is US. Now, as I'm ready to send this particular request out to the AI, a new version is created, a new record is created here, which captures all the information that I have just now selected and also captures the information around the device that I have selected. If I go to the related information, and it takes a couple of seconds to show that information. So once I refresh, a tech content version will be generated. What this basically means is I sent out those prompts, and here is the AI returning to me the content which will resonate with my target segment for that particular geography, along with the image that I can leverage for sending out the campaign. So here you can see the complete information. You have an ability to modify this information if needed. Let's say you want to maybe modify some words and so on. You can change all those things. But yeah, so as I'm ready to send this campaign out, I can push post content. And at this point, this is a lead search window, which basically means that it allows me to have my list of leads which are curated from the lead score over 15, and this is based on the interactions with the of those leads with the campaigns. What this means is in the past how those leads have interacted with my previous campaigns, with whether they belong to this particular region or specialization of the device and so on or not. On the basis of that, the leads are selected. So I select medical device, I select my region to be US, and I search all the leads which sort of match this criteria. Let me select this particular lead for the sake of this campaign. And once I send it across, at this point, it said saved successfully, which means that the campaign is sent out, and I can check this in my mailbox. So this is the email that has arrived in my mailbox. I can view this in the browser where you can see complete information with the same content and image which was approved on the CRM. This basically allows for an end-to-end process where it empowers the marketing ops team to replenish their pipeline with new leads generated. It allows them to target the campaign to the appropriate leads and also generate relevant and updated campaign content with the ability to modify it.
Thank you so much, Shefali. Thanks for the demo of TeqNext AI for Medical Affairs team. And it was amazing. So, before we wrap up, would you like to share your final thoughts or advice on how the pharma companies should go ahead to implement omni-channel marketing strategies? So, one of the things which I can think from uh, my knowledge is to start very slow. Know your system, understand your system, and then go ahead from there slowly.
I agree fully. And my advice would be on top of that, start by understanding your audience and leveraging data to personalize your campaigns. Invest in technologies that can integrate various channels and ensure consistent messaging. And more importantly, always prioritize data privacy and regulatory compliance to build and maintain trust with your
Of
customers.
course.
Remember, the goal is to create a seamless, personalized experience that adds value to your customers' lives.
Thank you so much, Shefali, for sharing your insights and expertise with us today. So, omni-channel marketing powered by data and AI, which is TeqNext AI, is undoubtedly the future of pharma marketing.
Thank you, Jas. It was a pleasure discussing this transformative approach with you.
Thank you to our listeners for tuning into this episode of Tech Talk. If you have any questions or would you like to learn more about TeqNext AI and our solutions, feel free to reach out to us. Until next time, stay innovative.